Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to tell you about report writing. Report writing is a part of exercise work from the poem Ice Cream Man from the English textbook NCERT Marigold Part 5. Through this video, I'm going to tell you what is actually a report and what are the occasions on which you'll be asked to write the report, how you have to write the report, and what are the 4 things you must keep in your mind while writing the report. I'll also show you a small sample report. Let's see what actually is report. What is a report? A report is a spoken or written account of something that one has observed, heard, done, or investigated, which means that suppose if I'm going out on a tour, or if I organize any event, or if I conduct any competition, and if I write everything, how I did, what I did, and what were my key observations, I call that script as a report. It can be verbal as well as in the written form. Let's see on what occasions do we write report. For primary classes at primary level till class 5, you may be asked to write the report after visiting a place. For example, visiting after the field trip. You may be asked to write a report after the field trip or after the travel. You go and visit different countries, different states during your vacation. You may be asked to write a report on that. Or you may be asked to write a report on a small visit to a zoo or to any historical places nearby your school or your house. And then, what are the different occasions, other occasions on which you may be asked to write the report is after any events. Events, for example, your school gets a chance to conduct many activities, organize many events. It can be a sports day. You may be asked to write a report on how you celebrated your sports day or how you celebrated your annual day or about any lecture or specially organized lecture. You may be asked to write the report. After any event which is global or it is nationwide, for example, write a report on this pandemic or write a report after an earthquake or even write a report after flood. And next is when we do some investigations. At your level, if you do some small experiment, you may be asked to write a report on that small particular experiment. How you did that experiment? What was the conclusion of your experiment? What is the result you get from this experiment? So these are the few things or few occasions after which you may be asked to write the report. Till now I have told you what is a report and what are the different occasions after which you will be asked to write a report. So after this slide, I'm just going to show you a small video. What I want you all to do is just observe the video very carefully and observe and record your observations in your mind. Imagine that I am going to take you all to a small tour to a zoo. After the video, I'll just tell you how you have to write the report and what are the 4 things you must keep in your mind to write a report or while writing a report. And at the end, I'll just show you a small sample of a report. Here goes the video. Watch it carefully. See the video, it is a famous Vandalur Zoo in Chennai. You see the ticket counter where you can buy the ticket or pay the entry ticket. You see the map of the zoo and you get to know which animal is kept where. And here you see the white peacock, pied peafowl, which is a hybrid, the regular peacock. I hope you all are enjoying the trip with me to the Vandalur Zoo. And these are black shoulder peafowl, parrots, Java sparrow, greater rhea, and then you see emu. Wow, that's a deer. And you see here herd of deer under the bamboo bush. And now you see bison. So many bison, herd of bison drinking water. And there you see flock of birds sitting on the wire. And that's the beautiful white tiger. Very interesting to see white tiger moving here and there. Seems very restless. That's a close shot of white tiger. And here you see the tiger with stripes on his body. And there it goes inside. Oh, what's that? That's a snake crawling so fast to catch this rat. Oh, it got it finally. It's very thrilling. That's a beautiful fish-shaped aquarium. Now let's go and see what's there inside the beautiful aquarium. Wow, that's lovely fishes. Colorful fishes. Swimming in the water. Leaping in the water. Well, that's the end of the trip to Wonderloor Zoo. I hope you all have enjoyed the trip which I took you all just now. Now, moving on to the subject. Let's see how to write the report for this trip to zoo. Yes, before actually starting the report, we must keep in mind 4 important things for writing the report. First thing is, think of a good title and write it correctly. The second thing is always keep to the subject. For example, here you are writing a report on your visit to zoo. You must write related to your visit to zoo, not whatever comes to your mind from here and there. Then tell things in order. Whatever you observe, in whichever order you observe, you must write in the same order. You must speak in the same order. And then the fourth important thing is always make your paper look very neat. I hope all of you will keep these 4 things whenever you keep writing the report of any occasion or any event. Now, this is a sample report for you all which I have written. A visit to zoo is the topic. Dear students, do not forget to write the date of the event and also the name who is writing the report. So let me read out the sample report. Zoo is a place where different birds and animals are kept for people to come and watch. Today, our teacher gave a chance to visit the zoo through online. She made us to see the famous Wonderloor Zoo in Chennai. It is very big and beautiful. In the entrance, there's a ticket counter where we can buy tickets to enter the zoo. As soon as we enter, there's a map of the zoo which shows the place where different animals are kept. We saw many birds like white peacock and sparrows. Emu and greater rhea were the attractions in the zoo. Then we saw the herd of deer and bison drinking water. It was a very interesting experience to see white tiger. It was a thrilling experience to see the snakes catching the rat. Finally, we saw the aquarium in the shape of a fish, where many colorful and beautiful fishes were kept. It was a joy to see the fishes swimming and leaping. It was a great fun to see the zoo. It helped me to learn many facts about animals. So this is a small sample report which you can go through, and it can be an example for you all to write a report. Dear children, always remember that when you write the report, it must be written always in past tense. I give you 3 sentences. I saw many birds, and I am seeing many birds, and I see many birds. Out of these two, the only one which is apt for writing the report is the first one, that is, I saw many birds. The sentence I am seeing many birds for report is wrong, and I see many birds is also wrong. So do keep these things in your mind and write your reports in an effective way. I hope I was able to make clear what is report and what are the different occasions a primary child may be asked to write a report, and how to write a report, and what are the 4 things you must keep in mind while writing the report. I could make all these 4 things clear to you all. Thank you. Take care.